What the f was that, bro? What was that? What was that? Get to the next song, the one that has Black O on it. Maybe a lot more aggressive. It feels like the sonic atmosphere, or at least the landscape, soundscape that STORMZY has been trying to create with these albums. This album itself, it's something somewhat smooth, soulful, jazz elements as well. So type lounge record. But Black Sherif, you guys already know how Black Sherif comes. His inflections can be aggressive, sometimes too much. He's always coming there with pain. And hopefully he's sounding cheerful this time around. Let's hear it. This one's called "This Is What I Mean." So the album title track. Let's go. Oh, is he gonna cry again? Best in crying, man. Shout out to Black. Shout out to Blacko. God, STORMZY's so dramatic. STORMZY is dramatic. Hella dramatic with this album, bro.
It's a bigger operation. What's with all the speculation? Had to close the store for renovations. What they gonna do? What they gonna say? Storm's got that.
Bring that bass in.
Bolognese.
Let's go.
About the bread
hey!
I see you looking.
Is that sauce? Is that bolognese?
Even though we're coming from a common place.
Come on.
All I see is stars like we in a rave. This is clean.
Cheers.
This is what I mean. Tell me who's gonna pay for all the damages.
Listen, the build up on this record is insane. The build up on this record is insane. I was like, starting with the keys, this man, I was like, this nigga is hella dramatic. I could tell. This nigga is hella dramatic, making it seem like it's about to be some think piece type record. But this is the second track on the album. And you guys know me on second tracks, man. I'm always excited for a big statement to be made, and guess what? He said this is about to make a statement with this one, and the beat progresses and builds up so far, and then there's a massive drop. Crazy. The bass lines on this are nasty bass lines, and I'm like, yo, this is a good record so far. We're getting a hip hop element, at least something different from what I've heard so far on the album. This is definitely, yeah, man, this is good. This is good. Wait, Butcher J's behind us or what? Hey!
Business for you, man, my bread. If 10 million weren't enough, I make a lifetime pledge. Alright.
How is Blacko gonna fit on this?
If she hold me down, then I might buy her a protect. The man them hold me back because they know just how I get.
This is Amaarae, right? Oh my goodness! This is some Yeezus Kanye bass synths that are just blasted throughout the record. What is going on? What is going on here? What is going on? STORMZY! What? This is crazy. Nah, wait. A super dynamic record, man. Like every other minute or every other like bar is coming towards a different twist and different direction for the record. It's super ultra dynamic. It's far from boring. The bounce is getting you like turned up. The energy, the delivery is coming there. It's crazy. And then we're getting all the vocal lines from artists as well that are super like tying in well in different level of like, say like a telephone effect or something else is being brought in there. Why, my goodness, this entire record is a trip, man. It's a trip. Come on. Oh, that's Miss Bang. Oh my goodness.
All that capping on the net and make the man and blow your cap away.
Hey!
Let them niggas that away.
Nah, that flow is cold. The cap away.
I think I'm Kanye mixed with Donny Hathaway. I heard Sunday's the new Saturday.
He knows.
But I got a rise above it. What's the damn Collier? No chance. Buffalo stance on my Nina Cherry. You man just remind me you're my girl. Why you never ready? I'm the goat, but that ain't nothing I ain't said already. Oh please.
That's a cold bar. You guys remind me of my girl. You're never ready. Oh my goodness. But is it the girl that you lost though, my guy? I gotta what's the Dan Collier? What's the Dan Collier bar there? I need to pick that one up.
Hallelujah. To be honest, I could plan and do ya, but I gotta rise above it. What's the Dan Collier? No chance, but for
I have to rise above it. What's the Dan Collier? Rise above it. Oh, that's the movie he was in, right? That's the Dan Collier, the one about what's this freedom fighter, right? Anyway, I know it's Rise Above It. Yeah.
This ain't the same man who said his head was heavy.
Can't keep your name out your mouth. They say you do this and that. We are tired already. Cause this is if they no one listen to you, better smoke and pay them, they don't deserve you. This is what I mean, this is what I mean,
What the fuck was that, bro? What was that? What was that? Oh my goodness. STORMZY. No, that was cold. Icy cold. And Black Sherif, listen. I'll put my hand up. Black Sherif has his days, has his moments for me. But wait, whoever arranged this, the music direction on this, man, next level. I don't even know where to start with this, man. How many elements were thrown in here? How many switches? How many, the build up, the progression on it, fitting how many voices on there? Wow. This is impressive. It's absolutely impressive. I'm like damn near speechless on this record, man. I'm coming back to this one. This is what I mean. No, that was cold. That bounce was impeccable. Okay, the transitions were insane, absolutely insane. The little vocal chops and samples that we're bringing in there like choirs, crazy, absolutely crazy. The boat orchestra feeling towards the end. This felt like, oh no, this is great. This is great music right here. This is great hip hop. This is great, man. STORMZY killed this. Like, production on this is insane. Whoever is arranging this is insane. I know there's like 4 hands on it, but like, bro, this made absolute sense. How this progressed, the level of braggadocio, the confidence that STORMZY was coming here with. Come on, man. The bounce was again, a good driver for the song. That was great. That was very impressive, man. Honestly, very impressive. I'm in awe with that record, bro. I'm in awe. From starting with the keys to what we got towards the end. What a progression, man. What a progression. Insane. This is crazy. Crazy. I'm excited about. That was great. This is good. Second track on the album. Insane. What are you guys saying about this? You guys are 90%? This deserves 100. This deserves 100%. What are you saying? This is a great song. This is a great record. Absolutely impeccable, man. It's Collier level type arrangement. Like, this was great. And he even said it towards the end. He even referenced Collier too, man. Oh man, that's crazy.